Today we're reviewing this 9-inch wireless Apple CarPlay touchscreen, and this one has a built-in 4K dash cam, a 1080p backup camera, GPS navigation, and voice control. Let's see if it's worth upgrading your car. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Fully wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. No cables, no hassle, your apps connect instantly. Built-in 4K dash cam. A crystal clear 4K dash cam to record everything on the road. Great for safety and insurance protection. 1080p backup camera. A 1080p backup camera that gives you a wide-angle, bright rear view, even at night. 9-inch touchscreen display. The bright 9-inch touchscreen is responsive and easy to see, even in daylight. Voice control plus GPS navigation. Full voice control with built-in GPS navigation and mirror link support. Hands-free and simple. Works on any car, no wiring into the factory screen. The 4K dash cam quality is excellent for the price. Setup is fast, mount it, power it, pair it, done. The speaker is decent, but works best when paired with your car's audio via FM or AUX. The screen is large, so smaller dashboards may feel crowded. If you want to upgrade your old car with CarPlay, Android Auto, a 4K dash cam, and a backup camera in one device, this is a solid choice. Check the link below for today's price.